Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming you have site owner or edit permissions, so changes will save. Once confirmed, open Sharepoint Home and click the exact site tile you want to change. Then, make sure you use the site's edit control in the top right or through the settings gear. This enters page edit mode immediately. You do this now to avoid publishing errors later and to ensure web parts and layout tools become available for the next steps. Once in edit mode, choose a section layout that matches your content goals, 1 column for focus, 2 for side-by-side content. You then add or replace web parts, click the plus sign and pick News, Document Library, Quick Links, or Image. Each web part has its own toolbar. Make sure to configure settings like View, Filter, and Audience Targeting so content appears correctly. While editing, preview how components behave across devices. When edits are complete, choose Save as Draft if you want internal review, or Publish to make changes live immediately. You should verify the published page on both desktop and mobile, and confirm users with different permissions see content as intended. If something goes wrong, components missing, or errors, revert to a previous version from page history, or open the problematic web part settings to correct configuration. This recovers the page quickly and prevents downtime while you investigate root causes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.